Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get custom stages in Yomi Hustle. Custom stages bring a fresh look and new strategic possibilities to your battles, making every match feel unique. They are a fantastic way to keep the game exciting and explore diverse environments created by the community. We'll cover everything from finding stages to getting them set up in your game, so let's dive right in. To begin, the best place to find custom stages is typically the Steam Workshop. Simply search for Custom Stage Loader and subscribe to it. This essential tool allows your game to recognize new stages. After that, you can browse and download any stage you like directly from the workshop. For those using the itch.io version, the official Yomi Hustle modding Discord server is an excellent resource for finding stage files. To bridge your PC and Quest 2, you'll use software like Meta Quest Link or Virtual Desktop. For a wired connection, a high-quality USB 3 cable is ideal, offering minimal latency. If you prefer wireless, ensure your PC is connected to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for the best performance. Experiment with streaming settings to find the perfect balance between visual quality and smooth gameplay. With your mods enabled, you can now activate your new stages. Look for the Mod Options button, usually found on the bottom left of the screen, then select Custom Stage Loader and choose your preferred stage. If you encounter issues, verify that all necessary loader mods, such as Mod Options menu, are also installed and active. Sometimes, a simple game restart can resolve loading problems or crashes, ensuring your custom stages work perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.